Hi everyone, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing. It's June 10th, 2024, and there's something on the stand that hasn't been on for quite a while. This here is a stock stroke small block Mopar. This one here is a 71 340. It's bored 30 over. It has Keith Black 243 pistons in it. The comp cam, smallest Thumper cam that they make, flat tappet. Again, as usual, I'll put the all the build info and the information below. But I do like the sound of the comp Thumper cams. I'm sure there's other ones that can make more performance, but you know, again, it just sounds like a muscle car should. But anyways, this one here is going to Lloyd in Hanover. It's going in the 79 Aspen. And just for the guys that like the cam specs, I got the cam card here. You can see them there. So, and it was 20-600-4, but again, it's not a whole lot of lift. Calls for like a 2000 stall converter, but a stock one will work. But anyways, let's start this here up for Lloyd. I broke the cam in a couple days ago, so it's all good there. Tied at just a shade over 900. And there's what Lloyd from Hanover's stock stroke 340 sounds like. Thanks for watching.